Paneer Tikka Taco Recipe with leftover chapati. Will they be delicious? Yes, yes, and yes. It's a simple recipe and you'll enjoy the whole process. The crispy tacos with the flavorful cheesy filling will be enjoyed by everyone. You'll see. Before we proceed, do subscribe to my channel if you want easy, tried and tested recipes. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Take a large bowl and add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of dahi, curd or yogurt. Add in a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/3 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/3 to half teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of Chaat Masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kasuri methi powder, a tablespoon of mustard oil, and beat it well to mix up all the ingredients. Add 200 grams of paneer cut into small cubes. Toss them up to coat the paneer in this marinade. Take out the paneer pieces, leaving behind the extra marination in the bowl itself. Then into this bowl, add in about a cup of chopped capsicum and bell peppers, half a cup of sliced onion, and half a large tomato chopped into large pieces. I'll use my hands and just mix them with the marinade so that nothing goes to waste. Leave this aside for about 15 minutes. Heat a tiny bit of oil, say about half a tablespoon. Add in the marinated paneer. Toss it around and cook till the liquid dries up. And then season it with a bit of salt. Mix well and take it off the heat. Keep this to a side. Put the pan back on the heat. Add in the veggie mix. Toss it up on high heat for say 3 minutes. It's almost 3 minutes now and the liquid has all evaporated. We want the vegetables to remain crunchy and only partially cooked. Season with a bit of salt. Toss it up. I'll add in a bit of crushed garlic at this stage, half a teaspoon, and just toss it with the veggies. Once the raw smell goes away, turn off the heat, add the paneer back into the pan. Mix it all up, and the filling for our roti taco is ready. Let that come to the room temperature. To make a quick salsa, I have taken about 3/4 cups of fresh tomato paste in a jar, and to this I'll add in finely chopped onion, about 2 tablespoons, half a teaspoon of crushed garlic, finely chopped green chili according to your taste, about a tablespoon of chopped coriander, juice of a lemon, add in salt to taste, freshly cracked pepper, a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and then just mix it up. Give it a taste. Adjust the seasoning. Keep it to a side. So this is my stack of leftover roti, and with the amount of filling I'm hoping to get about 6. You could use lacha paratha in its place as well. So just line the rotis. Place the paneer and veggie filling on half of it. Repeat for the rest of them. Place a generous amount of mozzarella on top. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, share your feedback in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Fold it in half. So and press it down to pack in the filling. So the tawa or the griddle or the frying pan is on low heat, and I'll carefully place my taco, the cheese side down. We'll go low and slow and allow the cheese to melt. Smear lightly with oil. You could use vegetable oil or olive oil or even butter. Flip it over. After a minute, brush with oil and let it firm up. They have already turned nice and crispy on the outside, and it's time to take them out. The next batch. Serve the crispy tacos with tomato salsa and enjoy!